If when I'm done with this, I want to do it again, okay?
Yeah, sure.
Can you let me do it again and again and again?
How about just again and again?
Okay.
Okay.
No, I want to do it again and again and again and again and again and again.
How about again and again and again and again?
Okay.
Okay.
It doesn't work. You fill it up?
Yeah, I'm gonna put the juice in here. And this is what the birdies like to drink.
Gotcha.
Whoa! What do we do now that this thing is hanging? This bird feeder.
Wait.
That's right. Eventually they'll come. If you build it, they will come.
What?
Nothing. You don't want to waste all the bubbles, do you?
I do.
You want to use them all right now? Then you won't be able to use it again.
I don't want to use it again.
Oh. Careful with those. There's bees all over. Don't grab these flowers.
Why?
Because there's bees up there. Actually, I think that's a wasp. Maybe we should go inside. Lovey, you gotta pick up your bubbles.
Why?
Well, because whatever you play with, you gotta put away. You want me to go inside and you'll stay out here?
No.
Oh, well, you said you're not gonna be my friend, so.
I'm going to be your friend.
Oh, perfect. Lovey, come on. That's for the bubble gun. That's not for your hands.